What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in this one, I have a really special video and a lot of really cool information to share with you guys in this little update that we have this evening. We have a trade here that is up over 3,000% at the current time. Now, I know a lot of you guys have been kind of asking us when we are going to see the new things that we're going to get rolled out with our group. And I do kind of want to go over some of those things with you guys in this video here. So again, when we're thinking about some of these trades and the strategies of the things that are going on in the market, there is so much money to be made right now. And in my opinion, you're kind of doing yourself a disservice by not taking advantage of all of this opportunity out there. It may seem a little bit daunting at first, but again, these things, once you kind of get the hang of them, they're really not that complicated. And they're really going to help you kind of take control over your own portfolio each and every day. So again, if you do enjoy the information and analysis that I provide for you in this video, make sure you go down below and hit that like button. It costs you nothing to do it, but it really helps us out a whole lot in getting this information out to as many people who want to learn. And again, if you guys are excited for Invictus and Pythagoras, make sure you guys comment that down below as well. We're going to be doing a little bit of a sneak peek of those a little bit later in this video, but let's kind of get into it right here. In the stock that we're going to be talking about here is Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY. Now, when we're looking at this chart right here, I kind of want to go over some of the different rules and strategy with you guys, just so you guys can kind of understand and implement this for yourself in your everyday trading, whatever that is going to be, if you're a swing trader or a day trader. Now, this situation right here with Bed Bath & Beyond is going to be perfect for those people with maybe 9-to-5 jobs or the people that just can't sit there and look at the charts all day long like some of us. Now, when we're looking at this chart right here, again, you guys get these charts. Once you guys hop into the group, all you got to do is click on one of the alerts, save and download the chart, and you can put any stock and have all of these different indicators on your charts too. So when we're looking at this right here, we have a 1348 cross on the 4-hour time frame, and this occurred on about August 1st. Now, again, one of the key rules that we like to talk about all the time with 1348 is, well, we need price action to be above the longer time frame EMA, the 200 exponential moving average. So, because again, as you guys can see many times when these pumps start to happen, you come up, you hit this 200 EMA, and then you get rejected right back down. So you want to confirm that the trend is going to be in your favor if you are entering a trade. Now, looking at this play here, we can see that about from the cross here, if you were kind of trying to front run it a little bit, all the way up to the peak of this 4-hour candle back here, that's about a 134% move in stock. Now, if you take a look at this right here and look at what the percent return would have been on stock if you were just playing it as you come over that 200 EMA with this cross and all of the other indicators, RSI, MACD, and shaft trend cycle, all lining up. Well, you take a look at this here, that is still a 77% return. Now, the 4-hour chart is awesome for swing trading, but again, if you want to play it a little bit safer, the daily time frame is going to be able to give you a little bit more of that safety. Now, you are going to need to get a little bit more time, especially if you're trading options when you are trading on the daily time frame. And we take a look at Bed Bath & Beyond here. On the daily, there are a couple of very, very important things that I want you guys to realize and understand. And this is kind of going to go to illustrate the power of the new things that we have rolling out to you guys. So what we're looking at here on the daily time frame for Bed Bath & Beyond is that the 13 still hasn't crossed up above the 48. Now, we also just rejected off of the 200 exponential moving average here, but there was still money to be made. When we come over and take a look at this tweet right here, this is Pythagoras' account. It's our new algorithm that trades with that predictive technology that we have on the daily time frame. It has a lot of other things built into it as well that we're going to continue to kind of tell you guys and explain to you as we get closer to rollout. But right now, Pythagoras is up about 42% in the first 4 weeks of trading. But there's a little bit of a kicker here. That's only on shares. That's not on options. Now, when we come over, I'm going to show you guys exactly when Pythagoras actually alerted. This was on the 5th of August. So we see I will take this long position, Bed Bath & Beyond, predictive cross up. When we're looking at this here, there's a lot of money to be made right now. And again, if you think about the stocks that's going to move about 70%, that's just on shares. The percent return on these options contracts, if you guys were able to see this, even if you were trading just on the 4-hour alert, the way that we teach you guys right now, and you were able to hold into this big move up, that's over a 3,000% return on an options trade. That is absolutely insane. Now, even though we see those crazy gains happening all the time when our algorithms do fire off, again, if you do want access to all the learning, the 55 private live streams every single month, the real-time options data, the over 55 private live streams every single month, alerts on these crosses on over 450 stocks. Again, they're the fastest alerts because we do provide you guys with that real-time data and get access to these algorithms when they do come out. This one is on the daily, but we also have one on the 5-minute too called Invictus. If you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys check out that link down below. We are the best place to come and learn how to trade. Our results obviously are speaking for themselves. But this kind of brings me into the next point here that I kind of want to go over with you guys is it a smart idea to hold these contracts all the way up to 3,000%? In my opinion, no. But what we can do here is the strategy that I've been talking about a lot called make it free. Now, on the off chance that, let's just say there was a nice gap up on Bed Bath & Beyond, which we have seen a few times, as you guys can see over here on this chart. If these contracts are up 100% or more, well, you can sell half of your position, get your initial investment back, and whatever money is in that trade right now or for that time after you make it free, well, it's free. You're playing with house money at that point. There are a couple of different calculations too, depending on how many contracts that you have. But again, 100% is an easy one to kind of go over. If it goes up 100%, you can sell half your position, get your initial investment back, and you have free contracts that you can ride out for these very significant moves at essentially no risk comparatively to what your investment account was at before or whatever your cash balance was at previously. But again, when we're looking at these charts here and kind of trying to figure out, okay, where is there opportunity for money to be made? It's everywhere. It's happening all of the time. And there's no reason that you guys need to miss out on this at all. Again, retail investors right now are taking control of their whole financial future in the market. The results that we have seen from people learning this strategy and really coming in to kind of buy into the system and say, hey, well, I'm tired of not having control over my investment account right now. Is there something that you can do about it? Absolutely, there is. Now, again, it is going to take a little bit of time to learn if this is the strategy that you actually want to use. But again, we see this on a wide variety of different time frames. The daily, the 4 hour is awesome for swing trades right here too, as we illustrated earlier with this cross up. The RSI above its moving average, the MACD looking good, the shaft trend cycle signaling buy, and you see these massive candles start to fire off after. But again, this is just one stock here. These moves happen every single day. There's opportunity out there, guys, and I want you guys to be able to see that opportunity and really take advantage of it so that you can benefit and basically make money in the market and use it for whatever you want to. So again, that's kind of going to wrap up this video on Bed Bath & Beyond, this 3,000% gain, a little bit of a sneak peek into Pythagoras as well, our new algorithm that is absolutely crushing it. Again, up over 42% on shares in the first 3 or 4 weeks that he's actually been out trading. So again, guys, if you are interested in joining us, check out that link down below. Other than that, if you did enjoy the information and analysis and kind of the trading tips and tricks that I did provide for you guys in this video, if you don't mind going down, hitting that like button on this video, helps out a whole lot. Drop a comment down below if you are excited for Invictus and Pythagoras, and subscribe for more videos like this. Other than that, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.